let's just dive right in. We're going to pick probably going to be Bitcoin daily we'll probably do daily, just run a back test. Now we get to sit here and wait. Obviously, every time you run a back test, you're going to get different kind of configurations. So you can let this one run for a few hours if that's how long it takes to process. If you didn't get anything you want, running another back test will provide a whole different set of strategies. Essentially, you're almost never going to get the same strategy twice, right? So once you get one, you're going to want to go over the TradingView. We do have a quick little guide on how to get this script and everything set up on your TradingView. You can find that on the Getting Starting page for now. So you're going to check, you're going to do a little back test. We're on a daily, so it doesn't actually do a full back test. This strategy right out of the gate, we can kind of tell it's only got 18 trades on the daily over the years. You can see just looking at it, it's take profit right away. Probably not something you're going to want to automate. You might want to trade it. It'd be something maybe manually. Probably not going to want to automate it. So we'll just go to the filters here and kind of get rid of anything that's not 20 trades because we got one and we didn't really like it. Here's another strategy. Same thing. We're going to copy this over the TradingView. We're going to give it kind of, the quick run through. Pull this out of the side so we can do that. Now, right out of the gate, we're looking at about 142 trades. Kind of happy with it. We'll check, the average trade, Sortino ratio, all this stuff that TradingView provides already. It's the beauty of having strategies to match. This one, we can see the take profits are pretty tight again. It happens pretty quickly. Not necessarily the same candle or the next candle, but you're definitely not in a trade very long. Average win, everything looks pretty good over here. Biggest loss is not much smaller than the biggest win. So we can tweak it a little bit. This is where we'll play with the profit type. You can see up in the table in the top right, profit type, stop type, what everything is by default. We'll test the back testing here, but like I said, we're on a daily. We know we go as far back. We could actually go a little farther than TradingView even allows, but we're dealing with Binance data, which only goes to 2017. Run through it and just play with some different stop loss levels. You're going to watch your net profit, your max drawdown. You'll learn all these things while you play over time running strategies. You'll get to know what you feel comfortable with. The system won't likely give you anything with a ratio with a drawdown more than 30% of the system. Again, you can filter yourself if you don't want anything like that. You can see kind of, started with a 1.3 take profit from the strategy it provided us. So we don't want to vary too much from that. We found a nice little sweet spot here around 5. We'll see what it looks like. Nice round number, right? We'll test the round numbers, see what it looks like. Take profit, we're not getting any better. Huge take profits, it's Bitcoin, see what happens. We'll just go back and a little higher than what they first gave us. We could see, tight stop. We're trading Bitcoin again. As long as you let your runners go, we're on a daily trend strategy kind of stuff. So this doesn't look that bad. 2 profit factor, drawdown 10,000, 55, 56. We'll probably just call it here. You're looking at 11 to 1 risk reward ratio. Go a little tighter, see what happens. 1 point, we'll stay here. 3% average trade, 1.75% average trade. You're covering all your fees. In theory, this is a viable strategy. And that took a matter of a few minutes. You may not get lucky on your first run, and you've got some stuff to learn throughout the process, but we're hoping this system brings in a community that can do this together. So again, we'll just check all our stats. We've made some mods. Everything looks better. The biggest trade is a little more than it was. That's pretty consistent up. And that is USB. So give it your favorite, and you come back to that strategy whenever you want. Oh, and this one's for you, Devin. One of our main devs. This is his favorite view. He just wants to get rid of that trade right there, and he'd be happy. Just got to find out how to get rid of that one bad trade.